Every day, thousands of open source and public good projects die quietly. Not because they lack potential, but because no one even knows they exist. We live in a world drowning in innovation, yet starving for coordination. Developers build life-changing climate tools, DePIN nodes, and research datasets, but finding, verifying, and funding them is chaotic, slow, and centralized. The result? Billions in untapped value, wasted human energy, and a system where good ideas fade while hype projects thrive. This is the silent crisis of Web3, attention inequality. What if discovery, verification, and funding of public goods didn't depend on a handful of people, but on a self-organizing, intelligent swarm that works 24/7, unbiased, unstoppable, and transparent? Introducing Aether Swarm, the world's first decentralized AI hive-mind for public goods discovery and execution. Powered by Cortensor's decentralized inference, Aether Swarm unleashes a colony of autonomous AI agents that scout GitHub, analyze data, fact-check impact, and even execute microfunding, all on-chain. They don't just react. They think collectively, reaching consensus through stake-weighted debate. Imagine a swarm of intelligence constantly identifying the next big open-source breakthrough before anyone else. Our prototype already runs live on Cortensor Testnet. 3 core agents, Scout, Verifier, Executor, collaborating in real time. Decentralized session calls with POI validation. Sub 2-second inference latency. 1-click dashboard for users, plus SDK for developers to spawn custom swarms. It's fast, verifiable, and self-improving with every mission. Aether Swarm doesn't just solve a technical gap. It reshapes how humanity builds public goods. From funding African DePIN nodes to automating open-source grants. This is a coordination layer Web3 has been missing. We're not building another tool. We're building a living ecosystem of intelligent agents working for the public good. And when this swarm grows, it will make the entire decentralized world smarter, fairer, and self-sustaining. This isn't the future of AI. This is the future of collaboration. This is Aether Swarm.